Hello guys, how to download Minecraft Java Edition guys, and then you can enjoy this video guys and share this video and like and share and like and download Minecraft and this Chris the quizzes the Steve spawns together now Minecraft Java, and guys find the only Java. Okay, and let's start the settings, and then guys press the resource box, global resource, and scrap, press the plus big, and then the scrap to see guys how to download guys. Waiting for downloading, this may take a few moments. And this is a rain for the Christmas tree. And guys, this is I show you the rain, not rain guys. Wow, it's a Minecraft Java guys. And then guys, so let's play guys. Okay guys, exciting generating world guys. Genius leads become be boats. And then guys, you can enjoy this video and like, click my description, and then the fire file, and then click the Minecraft my code, and then check guys, it's a very cool. Just find the game. Wow, the big four. And guys, you can enjoy this video guys, and then this inventory is Minecraft Java edition, and then enjoy this video can be leads to me, I believe, show you to like and subscribe my channel. That's my channel was very to